And we are in front of the Roadstar X for the 2026 model from Possl with the starting price of 98,990, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van 3.5 tons. And final price is 114,969. And we are checking up, this is the Sky Up roof tent from the Italian maker, and I pretty like this pop-up roof tent because it has that pretty strong hinge up there taking on the elements, and it will be much more stiffer than the standard one. Well, let's continue. So this is a slightly narrower opening with actual tower fridge inside, but as we can probably enter, this is in one bench sitting area, but you can extend it sitting 2 person, adding here an additional sitting chair, and then you have 2 sitting areas, smaller actual table, Mercedes Sprinter chassis, open wide space right up there. Well, cabinets are pretty deep and reasonably sized, with one dropping down on that side and also another dropping down on this side. And well, this is the Sky Up pop-up roof tent right up there with a big sky window on the upper part. Going down, we can check the standard automatic 2-burner stove with sink, and well, 1, 2, and well, 3 pretty great cabinets with a national cabinet right up there. And then we have this shower unit that's actually pretty nice with Tetra cassette toilet, sink and sliding door with additional storage right up there. And then we have this bedding situation that is actually pretty good and reasonably sized. So we are looking at about 1.4 at the widest part, and we have the leg extension making up to 2 meters of length. So you'll not have problems with your leg in any case. On the upper part, we have 2 cabinets for the kitchen side and 2 cabinets of each side for the bed. Not bad. And going around, exiting out, we can check the Roadstar on the back, and I will be not opening because we have a lot of stuff going on with additional racks for your camping adventure and additional stairs going up to the actual pads if you get stuck on somewhere. And this is the part where this gets extended, so you get much more room for your legs. And we shall be finishing off this review going on this side right